Hi children, welcome to Love Max. I am Nityavati. Today we are going to see 10th standard linear equation cross multiplication method. Okay, if they are given the equation, how to solve using cross multiplication. This is the 10th standard exercise 3.5 sum. Exercise 3.5, the first main, see this. This is the first main. Which of the following pairs of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it using cross multiplication method. Okay. First write the question. The question is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, if it is the unique solution means what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by A2 equal to C1 by C2. Three parts are there. A1 means x coefficient, B1 means y coefficient, C means it is the constant. Okay, so it is has the unique solution means that is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 means x coefficient. So in this here, in this first equation, A1 is 1, B1 is minus 3, C1 also minus 3. Next, second equation, A2 you are taking, A2 is 3, B2 is minus 9, C2 is minus 2. Okay, you are going to find out by A1 by A2, that is equal to 1 by 3, B1 by B2 also minus 3 by minus 9. Minus minus cancel, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so this is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Both are 1 by 3. Even C1 by C2 equal to minus 3 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 3 by 2. This is not equal to C1 by C2. So this condition has no solution. This condition has no solution because the line must be the parallel line. For example, in the graph, if you drawn this means one line going like means another also passing like this. It is not intersect. When it is intersect, we are going to find out. Is it clear? This is the no solution condition. If it is solution means A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Many solution means all the three are equal. Okay. Next we are going to see the next sum. Next sum is 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. This is for second one. Okay, so how to write 2x plus y plus 5 come this side, minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. You are going to write first A1, A2. A1 in this first equation, A1 means 2, x coefficient. B1 means y coefficient. There is no number means the meaning is 1. C1 is minus 5. Next, A2 is 3, B2 is 2, then C2 is minus 8. Now we are check out A1 by A2, that is 2 by 3, B1 by B2, that is 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2, that is minus 5 by minus 8, minus and minus cancel, that is 5 by 8. Now all the three are different. Okay, so it is satisfied A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2. So this is having one solution. So this is having one solution. So this is we are going to use cross multiplication method. Okay, see this one. So how to write means first we are going to write the y terms, y coefficient B1 B2. So B1 B2 is what? 1 2. Next constant minus 5 minus 8. Next x coefficient 2 3. What we are going to start? We are going to end also. This is x, this is y, this is constant. Okay. So how to write means first B1 by B2, then C1 by C2, then A1 A by A2, again B1 B2. Okay, like this you are going to write. After writing cross means what? This is the simple as denoted as cross. So the same thing. X divided by, you are going to cross now. Okay, the first these two multiply. Okay, 1 into minus 8. Again you should minus. Next these two 2 into minus 5. This is equal to y by this into this one. Minus 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2. Okay, equal to constant term. Next this one, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Now we are going to simplify this. So x by 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. That is equal to y by minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16. That is equal to c by 2 2s are 4 minus 3. Now x by minus 8 plus 2, both are different sign. What we are going to do? Subtract and write the greater number sign. So 10 minus 8 is 2, greater number is plus, so plus, that is equal to y. This also same condition 1, c by 1. Okay, now we are equating. So it is c, so we are constant we are going to write as 1 by. Okay, constant we are going to write as 1 by. Now equate this, x by 2 equal to 1 by 1. So x is equal to 2, here multiplication, 2 into 1 2. So the x value is 2, y by 1 also 1. So y is equal to 1 into 1 1. That's all. Using cross multiplication we find out. Okay, in this exercise first you are going to find out the solution. If it has the if it has only one solution, means using cross multiplication method you are going to find out the answer. Okay, is it clear? Shall we solve the another one sum? Okay, next one, 3x minus 5y equal to 20. Then 6x minus 10y equal to 40. How to write? 3x minus 5y plus 20 come this side, minus 20 equal to 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. So which is A1? 3. Which is B1? Minus 5. Which is C1? Minus 20. Which is A2? 6. Which is B2? Minus 10. Which is C2? Minus 40. So A1 by A2. 3 by 6, we are going to simplify 1 by 2. Next B1 by B2, minus 5 by minus 10, minus cancel, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. C1 by C2, minus 20 by minus 40, minus cancel, 120 is 20, 2 20s are 40. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So it having many solution. Okay. The given equations having many solution. Is it clear? Okay, many solution means what is the meaning? In the graphical method, one line is like this, means on the other line also on this. Okay, now like this it having so many solution. Okay, is it clear? Next, for which values of a and b does the following pairs of linear equation have an infinite number of solution? Okay, first in the given you are going to find infinite means all are equal. So you just write the given equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 7, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, this is the given. So in this equation you are going to find out the values. So in first equation, what is the a1? So a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is plus 7 come this side, minus 7. Here a2 is a minus b, b2 is a plus b, then c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, is it clear? Now it is have the question only giving it having infinite many solution. Okay. So infinite many solution means what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Apply here. Okay, what is A1? 2 by A minus B equal to 3 by a plus b equal to minus 7 by minus 3a plus b minus 2. Is it clear? Now that side minus and minus are cancelled. Now I am going to equating first two because all the three are equal only. So first two means do the cross multiplication. 2 into a plus b, 3 into a minus b. So 2a plus 2b, 3a minus 3b. Okay, so everything take on side. 3a minus 3b minus 2a minus 2b equal to 0. 3a minus 2a is only a. If this is both are same sign. So 3b minus 2b minus 5b equal to 0. I find out one equation. A minus 5b. Okay. Next I am going to equate this two. This is both minus and minus cancel. So 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 into a plus b. 3 3s are 9a. 3 into b 3b. 3 2s are 6. 7 into a 7a plus 7b. So all taking one side, 9a plus 3b minus 6 minus 7a minus 7b equal to 0. 9a minus 7a means 2a plus 3b minus 7b means minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So now this one all are even numbers, so you can use by divided by 2. So a minus 2b minus 3 equal to 0. This is first equation, this is second equation. In this two equation, now using cross multiplication you are going to find out the value of a and b. Okay, so first equation, what I am telling, we are going to take this one. So first we are going to concept b. So minus 5 minus 2. Next constant term. Here there is no constant 0. Here minus 3. Next first term. A coefficient here 1. Here also 1. Again minus 5 minus 2. This is a. This is b. This is constant. Okay. Now it is the cross multiplication time. We are going to cross multiply a divided by these two. Minus 5 into minus 3 minus of these two. Minus 2 into 0 equal to b by these two. 0 into 1 minus minus 3 into 1. Next one, constant divided by 1 into minus 2 minus of 1 into minus 5. Now a by minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15. This is 0. So not necessary. Minus 0 equal to b by 0 minus into minus plus 3 1. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 5. Now a by 15 equal to b by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now a by 15 equal to 1 by 3. So I need only a value. Here 15 is division. Here 15 is division. So this side it comes as multiplication. 15 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. So a value is 5. Next b value. b by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So I need only b means here division comes here multiplication. 3 by 3. Cancel, it is 1. So a value is 5. B value is 1. So required value of A and B is 5 and 1. If it is 5 and 1, this is having so many solution. Okay, so this is the sum. First, this is having many solutions. So equating this, find out any two. I take this two and this two. Shall I take first and last? You can take, no problem. We need two equation to apply cross multiplication. That's why applying cross multiplication concept, you got the answer. Okay. Next, another one. We are going to solve one linear equation with a cross multiplication method. The question is, third one, 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. First, how to write 8x plus 5y plus 9 come this side, minus 9 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 4 come this side, minus 4 equal to 0. Now we are going to take A1. A1 is 8, B1 is 5, C1 is minus 9. So A2 is sorry, this is don't want, because here they don't want to find out any solutions. So directly we can apply cross multiplication. First step, take y term 5 2. Next step, take constant term. Next again x term. Next y term. So x, y, constant. So x by this one, 5 into minus 4, center also minus this 2. 2 into minus 9 equal to y by this 2. Minus 9 into 3, minus of minus 4 into 8. 1 by 8 2s are minus 3 5s are. Okay, now we are going to simplify this. X by minus 20, minus into minus, plus 18. Y by minus 27 plus 4 8s are 32. 1 by 16 minus 15. So x by minus 20 plus 18 means what is the meaning? Minus 2. Y by 27 32 is 5. So 1 by 1. Okay. Now we are going to equate this. That's all. We are going to equate this. The first one. So x by minus 2 equal to 1. So x is equal, 1 by 1 means 1 only. 1 into minus 2. So x value is minus 2. Then y by 5 equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 into 5. The y value also 5. This sum you are going to solve two type. One is a cross multiplication. One is a substitution method. Okay, let us do the now substitution. We can check both answers are same or not. Okay, this 8x plus 5y equal to 9, then 3x plus 2y equal to 4. This is first one, this is second one. Substitution method is what? In these two equation, you are going to find out any one equation x value or y value and substitute the another one equation. So, in second equation, I find out x value. 3x is equal to 4 minus 2y. So, x is equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Okay, so x value substitute in 1. 1 is what? 8x. In 8 place, x is 4 minus 2y by 3 plus 5y equal to 9. Okay, so 8 into 8 4s are 32 minus 8 2s are 16y divided by 3 plus 5y equal to 9. Do cross multiplication 3. 32 minus 16y plus 15y equal to 9. So, this is here division, going this side as multiplication. 32 minus 16y plus 15y means minus only 1y, 9 into 3. So, y you are taking this side, 32 equal to minus y come this side plus y, 9 3s are 27 come this side minus 27. So, y is equal to 32 minus 27 is 5. So, y value substitute in anywhere. I substitute in third equation. So, x is equal to 4 minus 2 into 5 divided by 3. So, 4 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 3. So, 4 minus 10 is 6 minus 6 divided by 3. Answer is minus 2. So, substitution method also x value minus 2, y value 5. Cross multiplication method also x value is minus 2, y value is 5. So, this sum you are going to solve both the methods. Okay children, thank you.